Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are gonna doing the presentation project of vocabulary building. The first I am gonna talk. The first I am gonna explain about is word formation. Wait, it's still loading. It takes some time to open. Okay, here it comes. It's my PowerPoint. Okay. Word formation definition. Word formation is the process of creating new words from existing linguistic elements. Root word definition. Root word is basically a word that cannot be broken down further and carries fundamental meaning. In short, if you learn key root words including prefixes and suffixes, you can understand a much wider range of words, teaching children to recognize even this is the value of learning root words. In short, if you learn key root words, including prefixes and suffixes, you can understand much wider range of words, teaching children to recognize or even be curious about a word's etymology means that rather than just one word at a time, they will have the keys to decode many words. Root words example, here are the example of the root words. Corp, demi, derm, crypto, dyna, duct. Prefix definition plus example. Prefix is a bound morpheme added to the beginning of a word to alter the meaning without changing word class. Here is the best word order with common prefixes. Disorder. Prefix "dis", meaning lack of order or disturbance. Pre-order prefix "re", meaning place a new order or arrange again. Pre-order prefix "pre", meaning order in advance. Counter-order prefix "counter", meaning an order that reverses another. Suborder prefix "sub", meaning a subdivision. Example in biology. Prediction suffix "ion", meaning statement about the future. Predictable suffix "able", meaning able to be predicted. Suffix definition plus example. Suffix is a word part added to the end of a word to change its meaning or word class. Compared to the prefix, suffix is simply an additional word that been added to the end of the sentence that will change meaning. That the word, the letter that will be added in the end of the word itself to change its meaning. Same like prefix in short. Here is some example of it. The start. This is the example is take from word dict. The root word dict. Okay. Number one is dictate. Suffix "ate", meaning to say officially or command. Dictation suffix "ion", meaning spoken words to be written down. Dictator suffix "or", meaning one who dictates or rules absolutely. Verbs definition. Verbs is basically word that express action, event, or state. For example, present tense. Verb, verb runs, base form run, function third person singular, type of verb action, sentence Rika runs every afternoon, verb happens, base form happen, function expresses event, types of verb, even verb, sentence in Indonesia, sentence the Indonesian Independence Day always happens to 17 August. Verb B, base form B, function expresses state, type of verb, state verb. Sentence finally the Leon goes to the place where he should be. Verb know, base form know, function expresses state, type of verb, state verb, sentence. I think I know how to end this battle. Verb right, base form right, function expresses action, type of verb, action verb. I am writing the usable cooking manual for our journey. Latin root words definition. Latin root words are foundational word parts not usually stand-alone words in English derived from Latin, the classical language of ancient Rome. They carry the core meaning of many English words, especially academic, scientific, and technical vocabulary. Lat- Here is the Latin word words meaning and example. Latin element man, origin manus, core meaning hand, English derivatives manual, manuscript, manufacture, manicure. Latin elements mil, origin Latin mil, core meaning thousand, English derivatives millennium, millimeter, million, millipede. Latin element naut, origin Latin nauta, core meaning sailor, navigator. English derivatives astronaut, cosmonaut, aquanaut, nautical, nausea. Latin element jud, origin Latin judicare, core meaning to judge. English derivatives judge, judgment, prejudice, judicial. Latin element gen, origin genus or genere, core meaning bird, kind, produce. English derivatives generate, generation, genetic, genius. Latin element fish, origin Latin fidere, or meaning to see. English derivatives vision, visible, revise, supervise. Latin element mem, origin Latin memor, or meaning to remember. English derivatives memory, memorable, memorize, memoir. Inflectional suffix definition and example. An inflectional suffix is a grammatical ending added to the base form of a word to express specific syntactic features, such as tense, number, or comparison, without changing the word's core meaning or its part of speech. Here is the example of inflectional suffix added. Base word book, suffix s, inflected word books. Sentence: Yuna reads 5 books every day, every weekend. Best word name, suffix s. If I wanna explain, if there is a best word name, it means every literary name you place in the sentence. That's it. Base word name, suffix s, inflected wordsnya name, voice you name you want to edit plus s. Example-nya, the example is Grace phone is in her pocket. Base word run, suffix s, inflected words runs, sentence Jace runs every afternoon. Base word fast, suffix inflected word faster, sentence the sports motorcycle runs faster than the cheetah. Base word eat, suffix n, inflected words eaten, sentence the dragon has eaten its meal. Derivational suffix definition. Derivational suffix are added to a word to make a new word, often change its type and meaning. Base word teach, suffix er, new word teacher. Sentence Timmy wants to be a teacher when she grows up. Base word dark, suffix ness, new word darkness. Sentence the vampire castle was filled with cold darkness. Base word quick, suffix lie, new word quickly. Sentence the werewolf reacted quickly when the spell backfired. Base word home, suffix less, new word homeless. Sentence since death went bankrupt, he has been homeless. Base word decide, suffix ion, new word decision. Sentence is decision has its own consequences. Thank you for listening and watching for a long time. See you for next meeting. That's it for the formation word. The next is we are gonna do explanation about proverb. This is quite a bit short, so yeah, keep paying attention. Sorry if there's a close camera. It is I am opening WPS. This is my PowerPoint of proverb. Okay, my name is Bagus Muhammad Al Rasid. You already know it. This is my explanation about proverb. We're gonna talk about proverb itself. What is proverb? Proverb is a combination of words that has strong expressive meanings such as revealing general truths, conveying wisdom, and offering advice in a metaphorical way. Kinds of proverb and explanation. Proverb of practical advice. These proverbs are commonly used to give wise suggestions, helping people avoid problems or make smarter decisions. Next is proverbs about hard work and patience. This type clearly emphasize the value of perseverance, effort, and patience in achieving success. Nature metaphor proverb is the number third. This proverb explains life lesson by using comparisons to elements of nature, such as animals, plants, or natural phenomena. Social proverbs. These proverbs typically focus on relationship and of social life, including family, friendship, community, and human interaction. Number five is parallel or comparative proverbs. As the name suggests, this proverb use clearly comparison or balance structures to show contrast, harmony, or proportion. Here's the example of each type of those proverbs. Number one, proverb of practical advice. Honesty is the best policy. Really, lie might be held for a moment, but the truth, it has the power to heal the world forever. Sentence, I know it's hard to tell the truth, Rika, but remember, honesty is the best policy. Second is proverb of hard work and patience. Seeing person that big level of success is means see the results of how hard that person work to achieve that. Mean greatness doesn't come in an instant. It's the result of a constant repetition, following, learning, and keeping on, no matter what the pain or sacrifice endured, until that peak of success is finally reached. Sentence. Look at that. After Raimi finally won her final match at the Mobile Legends Racing National Championship. Seeing her achieve that means seeing the result of how hard she worked to get there. Nature metaphor proverbs. The beaver builds his dam alone, not to survive the storm, but to outlast the war winter season. Meaning, build your wealth early, not for luxury, but as a safety against life's war storm. Sentence. No one sees you training, improving your gameplay, learning gears and rules, crafting new strategies for every enemy. But remember, the beaver builds his dam alone, not to survive the storm, but to outlast the whole winter. Your early grind, that's your dam. And those sharpened skills, they'll be ready when you face the strongest enemies. Not by luck, but by design. Social proverbs. One hand is strong, but more hands can do any job even more easy. Meaning, sure you're strong alone, but working together with your teammates makes you unbreakable and unstoppable. Listen, Yuki, you don't have to hold it all alone. Remember, one hand is strong, but more hands can do any job even more easily. So count me in. I've got your back. You'll keep healing as a battle magic support, and I handle the tanking. Comparison or parallel proverbs. More physical attacks means harder hits, More max HP means longer stand. That is how better physical tank do. Not by avoiding the fight, but to controlling the fight. Meaning bravery makes you act. Resilience keeps you standing. Together they let you change what matters. Sentence. I know battling a guilt like Red Tiger is tough, but remember, the stronger you will, the longer you can stand, the greater you strange, the harder your attack hits. That's how we fight, not to run away, but to stand firm and push forward until they're the ones fall. Characteristics of proverbs. Short, concise, and usually indirect but still powerful and clearly understood. Contain universal truths, practical advice as well as moral and social message. Use metaphors drawn from inanimate projects such as books, water, or the sky, as well as living things, commonly animals and plants. Feature plant structure, rhythm, and natural flow that makes them easy and remember. Express it in universal terms through anywhere, anytime, for everyone. Benefits of proverbs. They offer in advice in a gentle way without sounding preachy or self-righteous. They convey wise in message in a memorable form, often indirectly yet understood. They enrich our speech and enhance our ability to communicate effectively. They help people preserve and pass down cultural heritage and timeless moral values. That's it. That's it all. Thank you guys for this meeting and for listening carefully. See you next week.